Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is Siemens brand washing machine E17. This machine having problem within few minutes is showing E17 error message. Now we have to check what is the exactly problem how why is showing E17 error. Now we will go to the next step. This error message is as you know, this is always occurring with the water supplying to the machine. If it is water supply not properly, all the washing machines, it should be the automatic washing machine water supply should be the 5 bar pressure. If it is not proper pressure, the when we are selecting any option, at the same time it should be maximum quantity should come to the drum. But if it is not coming to the inside the machine, water not coming to the machine, at the same time also showing the same error E17 error message. Siemens brand actually this error message is a common situation. This E17, if it is continuously occurring E17 error message, you have to check the water pressure, exactly water pressure. It should come the proper water pressure. Insufficient pressure can prevent the machine from the filling properly. And you have to check any blockage supply the inlet water hose or water line or clogged or some kinks or cloggers water supply line, and restrict water flow, because also you have to check blockage or clogged filters that back of the machine, which is we are connecting to the machine with from the water line. That one, it should be sometime we can find it is blocked. Because of that also it's showing E17. Also any leakage, that's error showing the same E17 error showing any leakage from the machine. For example, all the front loader washing machine is running with the drain water draining out through the pump. If it is pump break or pump defect, at the same time water not going outside, at that time also showing E17 error. This is actually E17 error related with the water supply. And because of that, you have to check properly exactly water supplying or not, or any leakage from the machine. Otherwise it is sometime it's a lay down flow level, which is drain water going outside, we are calling drain line. It is sometime it's keeping flow level, at the same time also showing E17. Because of these issues, you have to check. Now what we can resolve this issue? First of all, you have to clear the water supply channel or low internal water flow rate, and clean the water supply line. Here we are checking water inlet. Here filter, sometime two filters are here with the inlet hose and inlet valve. You have to clear that here if any filter blockage or something. Otherwise you have to if it is okay, you have to check the water supply main valve. Here I will tight this one properly, and you have to check this one, the main, which is in my workshop. This is the main supply for the washing machine. This one, unfortunately, sometimes it still close, but we don't know about that. But we are trying to start the machine, or we are going to use the machine. At the same time it's showing E17 error message. But now what we can do, how we can resolve? We have to, before, so I told it, we have to clear the picture, water line, everything. It should be perfectly without any blockage, it should come to the water inside the drum. Now I'm going to on the machine again. Now I clear all the filters and water line, everything. After that I'm going to restart the machine. We will check if it is showing or not again E17 error. Now I already given power. Again I have to restart the machine. Now I'm selecting this option, 43 minutes, and it's Celsius degree 30, water temperature RPM 600, and 43 minutes it's showing through the display. Now I will start the machine. Now you can see the machines, water taking inside the machine. Here machine already got start. You can see inside the water, inside drum, inside water. Now machine start already. Still not showing any error message. It's now showing 30 minutes. My job is completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Now you can see again water supplying to the machine, and machine start also very well. Again